Turning 75 is a significant milestone in anyone's life. It marks a transition into later life, a period often filled with reflection and new experiences. Many factors influence how we age, including our lifestyle choices, genetics, and social environment. Understanding these factors is crucial for improving senior health and well-being. This essay explores why many don't live past 75 and what can be done to change that. We'll delve into lifestyle choices, social connections, and mental well-being, all of which play a vital role. We'll also uncover how simple actions like regular exercise and a balanced diet can lead to longer, healthier lives. The average life expectancy has increased significantly over the past century thanks to advancements in medicine and public health. Yet many still face health challenges as they age, often due to a combination of factors. This is often due to a combination of factors, including chronic diseases and lack of access to quality health care. By understanding these factors, we can empower ourselves and our loved ones to live longer, healthier lives, filled with joy and fulfillment.
Our daily habits play a crucial role in determining how well we age. The choices we make every day can either enhance our well-being or contribute to our decline. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are fundamental. These elements form the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. Physical activity keeps our bodies strong and minds sharp. Engaging in activities like yoga, weightlifting, and brisk walking can improve flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. A nutritious diet provides the fuel we need to thrive. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains ensures we get essential vitamins and minerals. Sufficient sleep allows our bodies to repair and rejuvenate. Quality rest is vital for maintaining cognitive function and overall health. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and a sedentary lifestyle are detrimental. These habits can lead to serious health issues over time. These habits increase the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Regular medical checkups can help in early detection and management. Making healthier choices can significantly reduce these risks and contribute to a longer, healthier life. Small, consistent changes can have a profound impact. Simple changes like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or incorporating more fruits and vegetables into our diets can make a big difference. Every positive choice adds up to better health and longevity.
Humans are social creatures. Strong social connections are vital for our well-being. Loneliness and social isolation can negatively impact both our physical and mental health. Studies show that seniors with strong social networks tend to live longer, healthier lives. Maintaining close relationships with family and friends is essential. Engaging in community activities, joining clubs, and volunteering are great ways to expand our social circles. Regular social interaction provides a sense of belonging, purpose, and support. It helps combat loneliness and promotes overall well-being.
Section 4. The Mind-Body Connection, Mental Health and Longevity. Mental health is as crucial as physical health. Untreated depression, anxiety, and stress can shorten lifespan. These conditions often lead to unhealthy coping mechanisms. They can also exacerbate existing health issues. Seeking professional help for mental health concerns is crucial. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, and engaging in hobbies we enjoy can also boost our mental well-being. A positive outlook and a strong sense of purpose are linked to longevity. It's never too late to prioritize mental health and reap its benefits.
Section 5. Stories of Resilience. Inspiration from our elders. Countless stories of individuals living vibrant lives well into their 80s and 90s inspire us. These individuals often prioritize their health, maintain strong social connections, and have a positive outlook on life. Their stories remind us that age is just a number. By adopting healthy habits and nurturing our mental and social well-being, we can increase our chances of living longer, healthier lives.
Section 6. Simple steps, big impact, promoting a longer, healthier life. Small changes can have a significant impact on longevity and overall well-being. Regular exercise, even a 30-minute walk daily, can do wonders for both physical and mental health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. Staying socially active and nurturing close relationships combat loneliness and enhance emotional health. Managing stress through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation is beneficial for maintaining a calm mind. Seeking professional help for mental health concerns is crucial and should never be overlooked. We can empower ourselves and our loved ones to live longer, healthier lives by making informed choices. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes and embrace new habits. Let's prioritize our health and well-being by staying proactive and informed. Let's strive to make each day count and cherish every moment we have.